guys, how about playing hospital together? Let's start by getting acquainted with our characters.
Ooh, they definitely need some clothing up, Sue.
You're right. And I've got it all covered.
She is gonna be the doctor and he's gonna be the nurse.
I like the way you're thinking.
Glad to hear that. Now, let's move on to the actual playing.
I really don't feel well. I'd better go see a doctor. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Not great.
Sheesh, I hope it's not serious.
I have a terrible cough.
To a hospital ward, stat!
Did I hear someone coughing?
Yeah, it's me.
The oxygen mask will help with that. Just breathe in and out. And after the IV, we'll do a full checkup.
First, let's measure your temperature.
It's a bit high.
I don't see any rash. That's good. Your ears are clean. Don't worry. This is just to check your reflexes.
Reflexes are fine.
And the lungs are fine too. But the blood pressure is a bit high.
Oh no, we definitely need to do something about that.
Don't worry, Sammy. We have good doctors in this hospital. They will help this patient in no time. Let me just fill in the information form.
Is that it?
No, we need to run a few more tests.
Give me a minute to finish with this.
Is that really how I look?
You need to get a special vitamin injection.
Of course, anything you say, doctor.
Oh, this is the most unpleasant part.
I know, but it's very important. And I promise, it won't hurt. Whoa, what a wide choice. All right, this part is done. Now, we need an X-ray. All done. Doctor, we need you here.
Everything looks great.
Phew, hail Tibidaba.
Now, this is called an MRI machine. The patient goes in here.
I don't see any abnormalities. Perfect.
And here's the result.
Hooray!
The last test we need to run is called an ultrasound. It allows us to see how different organs inside the patient's body work.
You're in good shape.
That's a relief.
Our patient has a simple cold. The doctor prescribes vitamins, lots of fluids, and a good rest. Let's see. This is the right cabinet. Here you go.
They look like candy.
But they are not. So take them precisely like prescribed. Okay?
Of course.
Get well soon.
Thank you, doctor.
Whoa, that was so much fun and informative too. Friends, want to know how to make such a playbook? We will show you. Right, Sue?
Achoo!
Whoa, did you hear that, Sue? Looks like all the toys got sick.
Huh? Why would you say that?
Sammy is right. I've been taking care of these two for 3 days already and nothing.
Yeah, we aren't feeling well.
Achoo! Uh-oh. I think I'm coming down with something too.
In that case, it's good that I've printed this out. Sam, wanted to become a doctor?
I am a doctor already. Listen up, everyone. We're in quarantine. Mask up.
All right, let's get started. The first thing to do is cut everything out.
Please, be careful, Susie, and precise like a surgeon.
Captain, I mean Doc. So, this is the main entrance to our hospital. We go through it and get to the reception desk.
Yeah, it looks good and everything, but I have a recommendation. You forgot about the doors. And it's my professional medical opinion.
Oh no, how could I?
Hey, stop spreading the germs all over the place. Cover your nose when you sneeze.
We'd better speed up here. Where's the reception desk?
Coming right up, Susie. All that's left to do is cut everything out and assemble.
Thank you, Dr. Sam. I think I've got it from here.
And where's the patient's health indicator? It's my latest medical development.
I was about to start working on it. See?
Patient's checklist is a must for any hospital, don't you think?
Right you are, Elsa. And it's so informative. Wow.
How come you know so much about hospitals?
Don't you know? I helped to open a healthcare center in Arendelle.
Really? Wow. Sounds impressive.
Sue, look, I'm Navi.
I thought you were a doctor, but I guess you're a slime of many personalities.
That's for sure. But right now, we really need a Dr. Sam.
We definitely have to do something about that.
You got it. Let's lock up those germs and bandages.
Are you sure?
Next on the list is a hospital ward, and we're gonna need to do some serious cutting.
Mayday! Mayday! We might need more bandages.
Wait, what? Are we in trouble? Oh no!
Oh, come on, guys. I need this sharp tool to be able to do this.
And what's that?
It's a cabinet door. We'll be able to open and close it.
Ooh, smart. I mean, I knew it from the very beginning. I just wanted to check. You.
Oh, of course you did.
Now, tell me what's the next page for.
We'll have the tools for the patient's checkup here.
Correct. Let's do it. Friends, give this video a like if you want to see what's next.
Sometimes it gets a bit cold in a hospital ward. Good thing we have a cozy blanket here.
And would you just check out this amazing design? So stylish! Subscribe if you think so too.
Oh, Sammy, it does look very cute. Let's put it in place. Right here.
Ah, what a nice ward. Hey, where are you going?
We already feel better, yeah!
But we haven't finished your treatment.
We still need to give you injections.
Hey, I thought you would help me. I guess I'm gonna have to finish this all by myself, as usual.
Those two run too fast, Sue. We need new patients.
That can wait. We haven't finished building our hospital yet.
You are right. So, I see you decided to deal with the lab. Something missing in it.
Do you mean medical equipment?
You can say that. This thing can cure patients with just the way it looks.
How modest of you.
Hey! What you doing?
Stop screaming like that. It's all under control.
But you are cutting my laboratory in half. I can't look.
That needed to be done. See? Now, we can make the treatment room.
Guys, I caught up with the fugitives. We have patients again. Stand still, you two.
Help us, somebody! Save us, please!
Come on, Elsa. Let them go. We'll finish our hospital, and then we'll treat them.
Ugh, fine.
Whoa!
Holy cannoli. I didn't know Elsa would be so committed to this.
She just can't wait to play with this cool playbook.
Aren't we all, Sammy? Aren't we all?
Oh no! We are getting so close to that scary stage. The syringe!
You're right. Let's put it together.
Oh, I'd better go.
I'm not so fond of syringes too. Just don't tell anyone, okay?
Oh, Elsa, your secret is safe with us. Alrighty, that's done. What's next? Sammy?
Could you just stand still?
Sue, Elsa decided to treat me as a patient now. Leave me alone.
Hey, Sammy, have you ever wanted to see what's inside you?
Strange question, Sue. I'm a truly pink slime. Through and through, inside and out.
Right. How come I didn't think of that?
Less talking, more working, Susan. Come on, set up the control panel.
On it, boss.
Also, put the results of the x-ray.
I've just finished doing that.
Here's the MRI machine. It's very important too.
Elsa, your wit never ceases to amaze me.
I agree.
Oh, my hospital is going to become a legend.
And while you were daydreaming globally, I finished this page of our playbook.
The ultrasound is done too, but something seems off about it.
I think I know what it is.
So, that is how it was supposed to be. Well done, Sue. What would I only do without you?
Guys, I really can't wait to start treating our first patients. They will be so grateful.
Well, I certainly hope so. And the last piece. Okay, what else is left?
The pharmacy, of course.
And prescription cabinet.
With all those pills and medicines.
At least 16 kinds of them.
You want it. You got it, guys.
14, 15, 16. Wow, that's what I call perfection.
Good job, Sue. It looks so cute. Just add the prescription list.
Here it is.
So, do we have all the pills we need? Great. We nearly forgot about the appointment reminder form.
Good call, Sammy.
Thanks.
Now, let's put everything in place.
Hey, patients! Patients! They ran away again. Cowards.
In the meantime, we are nearly done. This is where we'll keep our paper doctors.
My personal medical stuff for my very own hospital? Yay! I will make them wear special coats and scrubs made of slime.
That's not a very smart decision, Sammy. It's a hospital after all. Paper medical staff should wear clothes made from paper. Don't you agree?
Fine. But a slime can dream wild, can't he?
Of course you can, Sammy.
Are those my paper patients? Cool.
Yup. Now we are completely done.
Yippee! Sue, my congratulations on finishing construction works.
Thanks. I'm glad we did it. This playbook is really awesome.
Friends, thank you for watching this video till the very end. Support us with your likes, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!
See you soon, guys. We love you all.